Starting a childcare business can be a rewarding venture, both personally and financially. To begin, you'll need to conduct thorough research on the childcare industry and understand the needs of your target market. This involves identifying the age group you wish to cater to, whether infants, toddlers, or preschoolers, and understanding the regulations in your area. Licensing and certification are crucial steps, as they ensure compliance with local laws and safety standards. Additionally, developing a comprehensive business plan is essential. This plan should outline your business goals, target market, marketing strategies, and financial projections. It also helps to decide on the location, whether it's a home-based setup or a dedicated facility, which will influence your startup costs. One of the most critical aspects of starting a childcare business is securing funding and managing finances effectively. Initial costs can vary widely, depending on the size and scope of your operation. These costs include licensing fees, insurance, equipment, supplies, and potentially renovations to meet safety standards. It's important to create a detailed budget that accounts for these expenses and ongoing operational costs, like salaries, utilities, and maintenance. Many entrepreneurs seek funding through small business loans, grants, or personal savings. Keeping track of your finances with accounting software can help you manage cash flow and profitability. Hiring qualified staff is another vital component of running a successful childcare business. The quality of care you provide is directly linked to the expertise and dedication of your employees. Start by defining clear job roles and responsibilities, and look for candidates with relevant experience and credentials in early childhood education. Offering competitive salaries and benefits can attract skilled professionals and reduce turnover rates. Additionally, investing in ongoing training and development for your staff ensures they stay updated with the latest childcare practices and maintain high standards of care. Marketing your childcare business effectively can significantly impact your success. Begin by creating a strong brand identity that resonates with parents and guardians. Develop a professional website and leverage social media platforms to reach your target audience. Networking with local schools, community centers, and parenting groups can also increase visibility and referrals. Consider offering promotions or discounts to new clients and encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews online. Building a reputation for quality care and reliability will help establish your business as a trusted choice in the community. The potential earnings from a childcare business can be substantial, but they depend on several factors. These include the number of children you enroll, the fees you charge, and your operational efficiency. On average, childcare centers can generate annual revenues ranging from $30,000 to upwards of $200,000, depending on their size and location. Profit margins typically range from 10% to 20%, though this can vary based on expenses and pricing strategies. By maintaining high standards of care, optimizing operations, and continually assessing market trends, your childcare business can grow and become increasingly profitable over time.